How do I leave a Telegram group?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to leave a Telegram group. If you found yourself in a group that you no longer wish to be a part of, or if the notifications are just getting too much, don't worry. Leaving a Telegram group is an easy, straightforward process. Let's dive in.
Why would I want to leave a Telegram group?
Before we dive into the instructions, let's briefly discuss why someone might want to leave a Telegram group. Groups on Telegram are a great way to connect with like-minded individuals or stay informed about specific topics. However, it can sometimes be the case that a group is no longer serving its purpose for you. You might find that the group has strayed off topic, is taking up too much of your time, or is simply no longer relevant to your interests. Whatever the reason, the decision to leave is entirely up to you, and we're here to guide you through the process.
Accessing the Telegram group.
Now, let's move on to the main part of our guide. Here are the steps you need to follow in order to leave a Telegram group. 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. You'll find yourself on the main screen, which displays your chats. 2. Scroll through your chats until you find the group you wish to leave. Tap on the group's name to enter the chat.
Navigating to the group info page.
1. Once you're in the group chat, tap on the group's name again at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Group Info page, where you'll see details about the group, including its members and shared media. 2. Scroll down a little, and you'll find a few options relating to the group.
Leaving the Telegram group.
1. Among the options, find and tap on the Leave Group button. This will remove you from the group, and you will no longer receive messages or notifications from it. 2. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to leave the group. If you're certain, tap Leave again. And that's it. You've successfully left the group. And that concludes our step-by-step guide on how to leave a Telegram group. We hope you found this guide straightforward and useful. Remember, Telegram is all about creating a user-friendly environment that you're comfortable in, so don't hesitate to curate your groups to suit your preferences. Until next time, take care and happy messaging.